Hi, I am Natasha Denona. I'm so excited about this video because I'm going to show you how to achieve this look and also giving you a couple of useful tips and tricks. And I'm going also to show you how easy it is to use my retro eyeshadow palette. The palette consists of different textures, from my classic soft mattes to my signature metallics and crystal sparkling eyeshadows, as well as my innovative foolproof cream powder formula. They are all based on the highest quality ingredients and are buttery soft and smooth. So I'm starting off with two shades, the Go-Go and Opart. Both of them are the cream powder formula. These are so super user-friendly because they're creamy, soft, and very adjustable. Now I'm going to use the shade Nude Mauve. This is a classic pressed powder matte eyeshadow. It is an in-between shade of both. You will have to make sure to pass the fold with the darker shades. This will open up the eyes and also lift the eyelid. I am going to frame my eyes with my Macro Tech Eye Crayon in black. To blend out the eye pencil, I'm using Rebellion. This is also cream powder formula. What I love about this formula is that it's so easy and effortless to achieve that perfect smoky effect. I think now I feel ready for some glam. I decided to use Helio for my inner corner and Glitz to top my center lid. This is a duochrome eyeshadow that will give us a beautiful shift here. The best way to use my sparkling and metallic eyeshadows is with your finger. You will achieve the best payoff. And lastly, another amazing pro tip is to blend out and perfect your lower lash line with using a transition shade to place right underneath the medium eyeshadow. And this is the final look. I hope you loved this video and loved the palette as much as I loved creating and using it. Thank you for watching. Bye!